Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file house tax online in Delhi. First, ensure you understand the basic principles of property tax in the region. Next, familiarize yourself with the official online filing portal. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents like property identification numbers and ownership details. This preparation will make the online process much smoother and quicker for you. Once prepared, navigate to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi portal. You will need to register as a new user or log in if you already have an account. Carefully enter all required property details, ensuring accuracy to avoid future discrepancies. The system will then help you calculate your property tax liability based on the information provided, making the process straightforward. After calculating your tax, proceed to the payment section. You can choose from various secure online payment methods, including net banking, credit cards, or debit cards. Always verify that your payment was successful before closing the page. Immediately download and save your payment receipt, as this serves as crucial proof of your tax submission. Keep this receipt safely for your records. Remember to file your property tax before the specified deadline to avoid any late payment penalties. Also, take some time to check if you are eligible for any rebates or exemptions, which could reduce your tax amount. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. Following these tips will help ensure a smooth and compliant property tax filing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.